નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, welcome to part 1 of chapter 7. Can you see the pattern of standard 5th mathematics? Let me tell you, this is very important chapter for you. It will going to be very important. Why? Because in future you will go for some competitive exams and in which some reasoning abilities will be there, and this is something like that. To develop the power of reasoning ability, this is something like that. And okay, let it be, but in this chapter you will have too much fun. So it is very interesting chapter, very interesting chapter, as well as you will have too much fun with this. So let's enjoy this chapter. Are you ready to enjoy with me? Okay, let's go for that. Now, second thing, let me tell you one more important instruction or that is that whenever you go for the videos of this chapter, first you always keep a textbook with you, that to be open on the, you should be on the same page of the textbook. Second thing, a sharpened pencil must be with you. Why? Because whenever something new, then you can note down in the side, on the side of that textbook, so that you can learn it very well. Okay, so let's go for this chapter. First of all, let me read this, then I will make you understand what is there. Okay, so see, there are two friends. Isha, your shirt is beautiful. One of the girl is telling to Isha that, Isha, your skirt is beautiful. Isha told, my mother made this pattern. See, in this skirt there is a pattern. That is why Isha told, or Isha replied that my mother made this pattern. So that another girl, I have seen this same block making a different pattern on a kurta. I have seen a same block making a different pattern on a kurta. How was it different? So Isha asked that, how was it different? Now see, in Isha, in the skirt of Isha, the pattern is something like this. Let's see. I am not going to draw complete pattern, but just to make you understand only this is. See, in the skirt of Isha, the pattern is something like this. Can you see? Okay, one up, one down. Once again, sorry, one up and once again one down. Okay, so this is something like this, isn't it? Let's see. See, that girl told, in your skirt the rule of the pattern is one up. See, this is up and one down. This is down. Once again one up, next one is one down. You can see this pattern also. See, main pattern is this one. Okay, one up, one down. But in my brother's kurta, it is once up, then takes 1/4 turn every time. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. So now, in the last chapter also, we discussed about the turn, isn't it? In the chapter 5th, we discussed about the turns, 1/2 a turn, 1/4 turn. And if you don't know, then I will make you understand in the next part of this chapter. By this time we will discuss this pattern only. So the other girl told that in my brother's kurta also there is a same pattern, but it is rotating at 1/4 turn, that to be clockwise. Now let me make you understand what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise. You must have observed that if there is a clock, suppose this is a clock, then the hand of the clock, the hand of the clock rotate in this direction. So this direction is known as clockwise. This direction is known as clockwise direction, and the reverse direction, that is in this direction, this is anti-clockwise. This is clockwise direction. Okay, so that pattern rotates 1/4, that to be clockwise. So let's try to draw that pattern also. You can see that pattern over here also, but to make you understand only I am drawing this. See, suppose the first one is something like this, isn't it? Then after it will rotate 1/4, isn't it? So it will be something like this. Then after once again it will be once again 1/4 turn. So this will be something like this, and once again 1/4 turn. So it will be something like this. Okay. So in this, what happens actually? In this one, what happened? See, you can see one up, this is up, then 1/4 turn, this is this much. So from here it rotates. Suppose the arrow was like this, it rotates up to this. So this is 1/4 turn. Okay, then after once again 1/4 turn, that is in this direction, isn't it? And now in this direction. So this is 1/4 turn. In the next part also I will make you understand. Okay. Now you use these two rules to make pattern within this block. You can see one of the flower block is there over here, and with this block we have to make pattern of these two rules. See, there are two rules. One of them is 1/2 turn, second one is 1/4 turn, and that to be in the clockwise direction. So these two rules, and also make your own rule. So our own rule also, we will make our own rule also. So let's try to use it. For that, let me draw that one. Say, I am not going to proper exactly like that, but let me draw in this so that I can rotate it very easily. So see, the pattern is something like this. That is something like this. Okay, it is something like this. So let me draw first of all that pattern. Suppose okay, then after we have to rotate it 1/2 pattern. We have to give it 1/2 pattern. For that, what to do? See, suppose this is, then 1/2 turn will be this much, isn't it? So it will be something like this. Once again, this same pattern 1/2 turn. So it will be something like this. Once again 1/2 turn, it will be something like this. Okay, so this will, and what is the rule over here? Then it is already written over here, rule. See, here we will write rule. Draw a block facing up, and it is already facing up, one down, then facing down, then this is repeated. then this is repeated. So this is the rule over here. Okay, one of the thing we did. Now let's go for the 1/4 turn. So in that one, what we will do? This is a block, and we will go for 1/4 turn. So first of all, let me draw this block. Okay. Now I want to give 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is this much only. So this block will look like this. So let me draw this block something like that. See, if you could, this is why I did, so that I can give the turn and I can draw this pattern very easily. That is why. Otherwise, sometimes I may get confused. That is why. Now, see this one. Now, once again, 1/4 turn. This will be something like this. So I have to draw. Okay. Now, this one, isn't it? So, okay, and once again, this one. So, if you want to draw, you may draw these 6 block also. By this time, I am not drawing too much more. Okay. Now, what is the rule for this? See, in this one, what is the rule? First of all, draw a block. Draw a block. Draw a block facing up. Facing up. Then give 1/4 turn. Then give 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn every time. That to be clockwise. Give 1/4 turn every time clockwise. So this is the rule for that. Now, see, these two rules are going for this one only. Okay, this is same as these two rules. Now let's go for our rule. So what we will do? We will go for 1/4 turn itself, but it will be anti-clock. Okay, the block will rotate anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. So let's go for that. Suppose the first block is up, isn't it? Now this will rotate anti-clock. Okay, so I have to draw this one. Okay, then after, once again it will rotate in this position. Okay, so it will be something like this. Okay, once again in this position, so it will be this way. It will go further. Okay, so here it is, and this is our rule in which we go for, we did this, rotate this anti-clockwise. So the rule will be draw a block facing up, then give 1/4 turn every time anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So this is the rule. Okay, so in this one we come to know that the pattern, how they making the pattern, which type of rule are they applying on the pattern, so that it becomes motif. Okay, so in the next part, first of all we will try to understand what is 1/2 turn, what is 1/4 turn, and what is 3/4 turn, and then we will go for some patterns. We will understand some more patterns. So by this time, watch this video 2 to 3 times so that you can understand it very well. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.